what are the most common side effects found in normal antidepressants?
You know, I'll tell you, a lot of the people that I talk to who they feel sedated, they feel brain dead, a loss of emotions, a brain fog, they may be fatigued. You know, you take a look at some of the side effects that they list, and they say an increase in suicidal ideation and executing that. That's pretty frightening. And one of the things that they don't talk about much is weight gain. This is something that can cause a tremendous change in these neurotransmitters that will, again, these are a family of molecules that work together. What's going to happen when you throw off leptin and things like this, and these kids have problems with? Instead, now they start self-medicating with foods. And so, you know what, it becomes a very, very dangerous spiral.
What do you normally give teens for depression?
You know what I try to do is this. If their depression is bad, they certainly have to see a psychiatrist because this can be very, very serious, and I will work in conjunction. All the things that I do are safe and work in a complementary fashion.
Do you find the holistic approach efficient for antidepressants in teens or the traditional method?
Well, you know what, as far as I'm concerned, it is, you get the kids through the crisis and you may need medications, but again, you try and get them off of that as soon as possible. For me, it's going to be diet first. We try and go ahead and go with the diet, and then we add things such as vitamin C, which is a wonderful antioxidant to decrease brain inflammation, a good multiple vitamin that's rich in B vitamins that will help out with the Krebs cycle move. Vitamin D is highly known for its antidepressant effects. Magnesium has this calming effect. We're all mineral deficient in this country, so Celtic sea salt works exceptionally well. We can use essential oils to help balance things. Things like St. John's wort, 5-HTP for serotonin, GABA for anxiety. And so, you know what, and there's no replacement for getting some fresh air and some exercise to get some blood flow so you don't have stagnation.
What type of side effects are commonly found in more natural alternatives?
These are minimal. I mean, you know, that's why I can be very bold with the things that I use because I'm not going to get them into trouble. At worst, what do they get? Some loose stools, and that's about it. They're not going to be suicidal. They're not going to go ahead and have profound anger. These are all things that are meant to give them more energy, give them more calmness, better sleep, and so I find it just very, very clean. You've got to think of the reason why, as opposed to just a medicinal band-aid.